In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing you can do is just swipe down from the top right. It says not playing, but just tap on that little AirPlay icon. First, I have my iPhone, and then at the very bottom, it should say speakers and TV. So basically, that allows me to AirPlay from my phone over to those speakers. Next step is to go to that other device and unplug and plug it back again. Make sure it's turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi your iPhone is connected to. Now let's go into our settings and then scroll down and tap on General. And then tap on AirPlay and hand off. And at the very top, it says automatically AirPlay to TV. So if you're trying to AirPlay to a TV, you can tap on that. But if it's set to never, then it won't let you AirPlay. But you can either switch it to ask or automatic. If this don't fix it, then hit on software update. And then make sure you update to the latest version because it can possibly cause a problem in your iOS. You might also need to contact customer support and raise your issue. I hope one of these steps work for you. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!